Hi again, Psych students. In the previous couple of videos, we have looked at operant conditioning in general, but like classical conditioning, operant conditioning can be applied in several manners. So in this video, we're looking at the applications of operant conditioning. In particular, we will consider both shaping and token economies. Let's start with shaping. Shaping is sometimes referred to as the method of successive approximations. It involves reinforcement being provided when behaviour that becomes closer and closer to the target behaviour is displayed. For example, imagine that you're trying to train your dog to roll over twice in quick succession. It seems unlikely that the dog will learn straight away what to do. As a result, you might first reward the dog with a treat when it lies down, then when it moves to the side, then when it rolls over once, and then again when it rolls over the second time. By rewarding the dog each time it gets closer to the desired behaviour, it will likely learn how to roll over twice in quick succession much more efficiently than otherwise. You have probably used shaping before without even noticing it. The warmer-cooler game, where a subject is guided towards an object or part of the room with "you're getting warmer" or "you're getting colder" cues, is a great example of shaping. The other application of operant conditioning is token economies. In token economies, physical tokens or other symbolic items are earned for performing the desired behaviour. Later on, the totems can be traded for something of value to the participant. The tokens are referred to as secondary reinforcers. Whatever the tokens end up being traded for is the primary reinforcer, as it is the thing that is actually motivating the behaviour. For example, some schools may adopt a dot chart. Each time a target behaviour is performed, the child can colour in a dot on the chart. When all of the dots have been coloured in, the chart can be traded for a prize. Both shaping and token economies are based on Thorndike's law of effect. Okay, how about an exam question? Here is one from the 2012 VCAR exam. In this scenario, Mary earns a star every time she gets dressed quietly. After she has acquired 3 stars, she can trade them for a lollipop. We need to answer both which application of operant conditioning is being used and, as a bonus, which schedule of reinforcement is being used. The stars here are acting as symbolic tokens that can later be traded for a primary reinforcer. Straight away, you should be able to recognise this as a token economy. So we can rule out options A and B. We looked at schedules of reinforcement in the previous video. As the reinforcement is provided after a set number of desired responses rather than a set period of time, the schedule of reinforcement is fixed ratio. Thus, the answer here will be option C. Next, we're going to compare classical conditioning with operant conditioning. Keep working hard and have a psychedelic day.